2000 Cobra R Hood here, folks. A little crispy. Picking it up. Silver, same color as my Stang. Sick. Here we are at the infamous Ness Customs garage with the Cobra R Hood. I'm gonna take it off here real quick. Here we are. A real legit Cobra R Hood. Well, not legit. It's a Cervini's. But here it is. There it is. And we're going in to get it shot and painted. Here it is in the light. It is definitely crispy, folks. But it's a Cervini's Cobra R Hood. Be going on my Stang. We're gonna take a look at the underneath here. It is silver. Not bad. Right there. The high rises here. 5.4 liter motor that he's coming. Ranger's debut. Cobra R Hood Mustang 2000. Was in a fire. This is after getting bondo'd up and tiger haired. And I think there's a coat of primer on there and he's been kind of sanding it, so this is it in the mix. These could possibly be painted black, but we'll see. I get it painted the same color as a car. Go from there. This is just the top. He's been working on this for about 2 weeks now. Pretty extensive fire. Underneath is not too bad. We'll come back to that. All right, we're back at the Ness Customs garage here. We're almost in final stage of this. This is one of the final primes. We're finding some spots on here. Just last minute, we're gonna go over it again with a massive. We're gonna go over a big block. Basically adding these two together here, and then he's gonna hit the hood with that. We have a long-time buddy come by from the hood, the neighborhood, that's checking out, giving some pointers. But yeah, burnt hood to that, I'd say it looks great. I'll work on some of these, you know, the lined areas here. This is pretty burnt up over here, so you know, we're just doing final touch-ups on it. So we'll go like this. It's coming along.
All right, so I guess it went this way. A little bit further.
Are we doing cross scanning?
Nail. Hang on. I like that pull. Oh, into the glass. Look how wavy that is. See it? All right, so now I'm gonna go to the other 45.
45.
The other.
Sanding 101.
Oh, the door sparks are low. The glass is high. This is what you need to block it with before you do your dolphin race, buddy. Did you see it now?
More sanding. Here's the underside of the hood, painted in the metallic silver. This wasn't bad. It was already silver, but a little sanding, a little painting, and then we'll do a little on this side is getting finished up. As you can see, it's all in primer again. Doing little touch-ups, little ditties on it, you know? And that's that. Nice. Here we are with it in primer after a good sanding. It looks wild. So I think we're gonna probably do this shadow here in black eventually. Well, we'll see. But yeah, it's come a long way from being in the fire. Let's do a little walk back. I don't know, maybe in paint next time. We'll see. Here we are, folks. Getting rid of the stock hood. Finally get the Cobra R Hood put on there. Yeah. Next time you see it, hope we have the new hood on. Old stock hood off. New Cobra R fabricated front hood over there. We're shimming, folks. We're shimming it. We have to because it's warped a little bit from the...
Because it's fiberglass.
Oh, come on, man. The F-bomb on video? It's because it's fiberglass, folks. Yeah, it's warped a little bit and we're shimming. So, yeah, we'll be back for when it's on. Hood's on. Here we go. '25 Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix. Got this. Unveiling my new Cobra R Hood. Oh yeah. Rolling in here. Mine's melting, look at it. Still raining pretty good. Last shot of the day, folks.
All right.
There we go, the city.